This video from the Famous Personalities series is about Pope Innocent III. Pope Innocent III was born in 1160 or 1161 in a noble family in Italy. His birth name was Lothair of Segni, and he was well educated from a young age. He studied law and theology, which helped him understand the complexities of the Church and its role in society. His noble background gave him a strong foundation for his future as a leader in the Catholic Church. Innocent III became Pope in 1198, following the death of Pope Celestine III. He was only in his late 30s, making him one of the youngest popes in history. His election was significant, because he was determined to strengthen the power of the papacy. He also sought to unite Christendom under his leadership. During his papacy, Innocent III worked to increase the influence of the Church over European politics. He believed the Pope should have authority over kings and rulers. He issued several decrees that asserted the Church's power in spiritual and temporal matters. Innocent III's policies helped shape the relationship between the Church and the state. Innocent III played a key role in promoting the Crusades, which were military campaigns aimed at reclaiming the Holy Land. He called for the Fourth Crusade in 1202, hoping to restore Christian control over Jerusalem. However, this crusade diverted to Constantinople, which was not his original intention. The outcome of the Crusades had a lasting impact on Christian and Muslim relations. Innocent III had conflicts with various European monarchs during his reign. He often challenged the authority of kings who opposed papal decisions. One famous conflict was with King John of England, which led to England being placed under interdict. This means that religious services were suspended, showing how the Pope could influence kings through spiritual power. In 1215, Innocent III convened the Fourth Lateran Council, which aimed to address important issues within the Church. This council established key doctrines and reforms, including the definition of transubstantiation, which explains how bread and wine become the body and blood of Christ during Massachusetts. It also addressed issues of clerical discipline and church governance. The decisions made at this council shaped Catholic practice for centuries. Innocent III was known for his concern for the poor and marginalized. He encouraged the Church to assist those in need and promoted the idea of social justice. He supported the establishment of various religious orders that focused on helping the poor. His efforts contributed to a greater awareness of social issues within the Church. Pope Innocent III died in 1216 after serving as Pope for 18 years. His papacy is remembered for its significant influence on the Church and European politics. Many consider him one of the most powerful popes in history, as he expanded the papal authority and influence. His legacy continues to be studied by historians and theologians today. Innocent III set a standard for the papacy that influenced future popes. His belief in the supremacy of the Pope over secular rulers became a guiding principle for later leaders of the Church. His actions and policies paved the way for the papacy to become a central authority in Europe. Future popes looked to his example when dealing with political and religious matters.